Welcome. Good morning once again. So, we will start our new chapter in our biology, that is chapter number 21, Neural Control and Coordination. So, my dear students, in this chapter, the neural control and coordination, the chapter is related to our brain, related to our nervous system. Nervous system we know. What is the function of nervous system? All the metabolic activities which will be carried out by the body, that is controlled by the nervous system, and how the neural control and coordination will be done, that all things we will study in this chapter. So chapter number 21 I am beginning today. So that is neural control and coordination. In this chapter we need to discuss what is nervous system or a neural system, and what is the function of neural system or nervous system. Generally, these are the main organs which are involved in this nervous system, in that brain, nerves and the spinal cord. So three main parts, three main organs which plays an important role in the nervous system: brain, nerves and spinal cord. And it is a system that controls and coordinates the body activities, conduct and integrates the information and responds to stimuli. So this is, suppose I am speaking right now. Okay, so who is controlling that? What I have to speak, what I have to deliver, and how I can control. Okay, I cannot give you big one from here. Okay, I can understand that. So here it's a control and coordination type of activities which will be carried out by the nervous system. Okay, so what I am speaking, how there is a communication, how hand coordination, then all things will be controlled by this. Otherwise, what I can do, what I am speaking and what I want to deliver, that will be totally opposite if the nervous system will not work properly. So here it includes the brain, spinal cord and nerves. So three main parts in the nervous system, that is brain, spinal cord and nerves, and it is made up of specialized cells known as neurons. Okay, this is, you are aware, in 10th standard this was there. That is a hormonal control. Okay, brain, chapter number, if you know the 7 in the NCERT, you are aware, that is control and coordination type of chapter was there. That already we have discussed. The brain has three parts. What are the functions of it? So all things we discussed. So here it is made up of specialized cells we call as the neurons. What we call neurons. So here the question arises. It may be in MCQ, it may be very short answer, or it may be long. So here the question will be asked, what is the functional and the structural unit of nervous system? So it is a neurons. Okay, they have specialized cells, and that's why they called as neurons. So that is about the nervous system, and neurons are the nerve cells. So neuron is a structural and functional unit of the nervous system, as I said. So in exam I may ask, what is the structural and functional unit of nervous system? So it is a neurons, and it has three main parts: cell body, that is cytosol, dendron and axon. Diagram also we have drawn, if you know that. Cell body, you can see this part is a cell body. This is a dendron, and axon body you can see. Dendron, cell whole is this cell body we can say, dendron and axon. So three main parts: cell body, that we call it the cytosol, dendron and axon. Correct? So three main parts of the neuron. The structure also you will see here. One structure is also there. In coming class I will draw this structure on the board also. So and that will be very useful for you. So here the cell body, that we call as the cytosol, it contains cytoplasm, cell organelles and this is Nessels granules, that is granular bodies. So here other dendrites. Okay, and whole is a cell body. This Schwann cells, this part is the axon, the myelin sheath, then node of the radial, axon terminal, synaptic node, and this part is connected to the muscles or brain. So they will receiving and sending the signals for the particular axon. I am doing the hand coordination, hand movement, that is controlled by the brain, because the message is coming from the brain and it will deliver motor nerves, and they are sending me a message to the hand what type of action should be done. So that all things we need to discuss. And next is the dendron, the short fibers that project out of the cell body, and sub branches of the dendron are called dendrites. These dendrons are also called dendrites, and they transmit impulses towards cell body. Impulses, what are the signals we are receiving? What are the signals we are receiving? That we send. So it is it transmits impulse towards cell body. So then only the action will be controlled. Sometimes it happens we are in too much angry mode and we want to beat someone, but we have to see the capacity. WWE type of man is standing in front of you and you will beat them. Useless. Okay, so in that we need to control our impulses, and according the answer will get from the brain. No, it is not in. I am not able to touch this man because many reasons. Okay, that also we need to discuss. Axon, the nerve fiber, a long fiber which transmit impulses away from the cell body, and the branches of axon is called axonite. Axonite. Okay, branches of axon is called axonite, and each axonite ends as a bulb-like structure called a synaptic node. What we call synaptic node. So it is a Nisser's granules. You can see inside Nisser's granules are there. So long fiber which transmit impulses away from the cell body from here to here. So this part, total this part is called axon. And okay, and the branching of the axon is called axonite. Got it? Each axonite ends as a bulb-like structure called synaptic node. You can see this part, which is connected to the muscles, and muscles will respond. Okay, the type of neurons we will discuss in our coming video presentation. So here, my dear students, you need to prepare for your evaluation 2, because evaluation 2 will be there after 14th of December. So whenever the timetable is, I think it is reached to you, and you will be ready for the two chapters in that chapter 18 and chapter 11 will be there. So for that also you will prepare, and most of the questions will be asked from the NCERT. Don't worry about, prepare only NCERT questions. Some MCQs will be asked from the content, so that also you need to. And I have discussed the revision of the evaluation 2 in that. The pattern of the question paper also I have discussed, and what type of questions will be asked that you need to prepare. Okay, so mostly the NCERT questions will be asked, and this chapter will continue after that. Okay, so here I am end of this video, and prepare your evaluation 2, because evaluation 2 is very crucial for you, and get good marks. 20 out of 20 you will get. That will be good for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.